Bassline again is quite simple. I've recorded a simple square bass melody and brought it into Ableton, where I've put a low pass filter that's going quite low, so 119 Hertz. I literally just want the sub. I didn't want all of the high frequency harmonics and stuff of the square bass. I just wanted the sub. It's got a nice roundness to it because it's square, not just a sine wave, so it sounds saturated without having to process it through a saturator. And that's layered with a low tom from the 808, which pings off just every bar or so. So for this track, I was going for a deep sub bass groove to bounce off the kick, because the kick is quite fat. I didn't need like a overpowering bass. I just need something that sits subtle in the mix and just fills out them empty spaces between the kicks.